Such a small thing, a leaf, yet it leaves a mark, however briefly, a reminder that even the gentlest touch can stir stillness into motion. When we were kids, especially during the rainy season, we used to make paper boats and float them into the water. Watch them drift away with joy. Some childhood memories are truly meant to be cherished. Thinking this in mind, so I thought of creating these two beauties, one with the paper boat and other with the dried leaves with all the ripples around. My name is Mohini Sinha and I am an acrylic artist based India. I mostly do landscape painting and animals and bird portrait painting. Many of you know me as Mohini Art Gallery from my Instagram account. We will be learning these two beautiful paintings. The first one, this autumn leaf, and the second one is the boat painting. So first we will start with the blocking and then we'll put the blending technique. After that we will learn the how to create ripples and blend them, then the leaf part and the leaf detailing of all the entire process step by step. Then we'll come to the next painting, that is the boat painting, the background. This is the second method which I will be using for creating the ripples. It is a little tricky than the first one. The first one is little easy, the second one is little complicated, but if you will follow the process you will get each and everything. I'm sure you will enjoy these two paintings like I did. So let's start with these two beautiful water ripples painting.